Hello everyone, I welcome you all for yet another video from my channel. Today video is from the subject Accounting for Management, and the topic we are going to see today is branches of accounting. This is the fourth video on the subject. Already I have uploaded 3 videos. I have given the link in the description. If you have not watched those videos so far, first watch that video and then continue watch this video, and watch this video till the end. And if you find this video useful, do like the video and share this video with your friends. Right, without further delay, let us get into the video. Branches of accounting. So the accounting is common and general, but the usage of accounting varies according to the various users of accounting. The information and need of the users decides the various branches, that means the various subfield of accounting. So generally, we have 3 important branches, but in the modern accounting, 2 other branches also have been added to the accounting. So let us see one by one. Of accounting is financial accounting. It involves recording of financial transactions and events. It is historical in nature, and records are maintained for transactions and events which have already occurred. It provides financial information to the users for taking decisions. It is concerned with identification, recording, classifying and summarizing of financial transaction and events, and ends up with the preparation of financial statement, namely trading and profit and loss account or income statement and balance sheet, and communication of the statement to the interested user. And this financial accounting, though it is one of the branches of accounting, this is the uh, first branch of accounting, and this is the base for all the other branches of accounting. The second type of accounting is cost accounting. Cost accounting, from the name itself you can infer that it particularly deals with cost means, so the basic formula of business is, selling price minus cost is equal to profit, and every business is running to earn profit. And if you want to earn profit, if you want to increase your profit, you have only 2 possibilities: either increasing your selling price or decreasing your cost. In the competitive environment, decreasing the cost is the most important thing you can do in the business instead of increasing the selling price, because though you have so many people, so many competitor in the market, you may lose some customer if you increase your selling price. So you have to work a lot on decreasing the cost. In the cost, we have a various costing technique like absorption costing, standard costing, marginal costing, so which helps us to identify that whether cost is under control, and the various ways and means in which we can reduce the cost of the final output. The the third branch of accounting is management accounting. Okay, so the financial accounting, we enter all the information related to a transaction which involves money. In the cost accounting, we will study the various costs involved in a particular thing. But the management accounting is a recent emerged concept, and no, it is, no, you don't have any format as that of financial accounting. It is purely for reporting the management, purely for supporting the management for their future decision making. So managers, the proprietors or the board of directors, they may not be well versed with the accounting concept. So they need customized information, they need exact information which helps them to take future decision. So taking the informations from the financial accounting and cost accounting and preparing a report in such a way that it helps the management to understand the nature, understand the performance and the capability of the business in financial terms. And you have in the management accounting, you have techniques like ratio analysis, fund flow, cash flow, comparative income statement, common size income statement. All that are the various tools and techniques we use in management accounting. And sometimes the budgetary control is also, it is also a part of cost accounting and also a part of management accounting. Right, all these three are the traditional branches of accounting, and as of accounting for management, we'll be seeing problems only in all these three areas. But due to the development and the modern era, few other areas of accounting is also being addressed as a branch of accounting. The fourth important branch of accounting is social responsibility accounting. So now CSR is getting importance in business, corporate social responsibility. And when this concept of corporate social responsibility is taking much of importance, we need to have in, we need to analyze that in the financial term. So you have both, social responsibility cost and social responsibility income. What does mean by, social responsibility cost? Being existing as a corporate in the society, there are certain damages caused by the organization to the society, maybe air pollution, soil erosion, or all such damages caused by the organization. So to compensate such damage, the company have to invest by creating an infrastructure facility, giving education, giving treatment, medical treatments, all that, so they are also rendering some benefit, though there is, so balancing between the cost and the benefits is what all deal about social responsibility accounting. The fifth branch of accounting is human resource accounting. So human resource is considered to be one of the most important resource, because all the resource can be easily altered. Today machines are, you have advanced machines, everything, but still if you have advanced machine, you need people to handle the advanced machine. So that much importance is human resource. So analyzing the amount you employ in the human resource and get on the benefit you receive from the human resource is what all about the human resource accounting. So all these are the five branches of accounting, and we will be seeing problems in the first three branches, and the other two branches are just in the introduction stage. And proper no, even management accounting, no, we don't have any fixed format and anything, so it is purely according to the expectation of the management. And this social responsibility accounting and human resource accounting are very much in the earlier introduction stage, and problems and other things are getting developed, and that's why it is in the earlier stage. We'll be seeing problem in the first three branches of accounting, right? Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video would have given you a clear idea about the various branches of accounting. The next video I am planning to give on the topic accounting principle. And if you find this video useful, like this video, share this video with your friend who may find it useful. Also give your valuable comments, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you one and all.